Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this. The iCam Speed 60. This is really cool because this is the next step in the ladder of high iCam nice action cameras. In the past, we had another action cam. This was for beginners. Now, these action cam, this is the Speed 60. This is for medium performing. That means here it comes, 4K 60 frames recording possible, 48 megapixel possible. It's a Wi-Fi device with a 2.35-inch HDR touchscreen and 8 times possible zoom. We have a remote control option. It's a bare machine and it's waterproof up to 33 feet. With the waterproof case, we can add another 100 feet to this 33 feet. These are 131 feet possible. We have two 250 mAh batteries included and 30 burst Vlog camera here. Native waterproof action camera. That means with a built-in waterproof feature, the Speed 60 is a waterproof camera. Underwater, it's possible to go down snorkeling, for example, 33 feet. These are 10 meters. It enhanced by a waterproof housing. And this action camera can withstand depths up to 131 feet. This is about 40 meters. And this is a big depth, I think. The dual screen action camera comes to us with the Speed 30 action cam. It records high definition 4K, 60 frames videos and 30 megapixel HD photos. It features a special 2.35-inch touchscreen on the rear and a 1.4-inch front screen. This is perfect for convenient selfie capturing. We can zoom in, perfect for convenient selfie capturing, and we can zoom in for more to see in the screen. And we have a wide angle shot effortlessly with this action cam. A 170 degrees fish eye lens. That means this is a big bunch of possibilities. And we can make clear shots. The Speed 60 camera features a 7-layer glass lens with a removable anti-fog lens protector for clear footage in any conditions. Powered by a clear sensor, the action cam delivers exceptional image quality in this price range, ensuring better visuals in all of our adventures. And EIS, anti-shaking HDR, with the advanced electronic image stabilization EIS technology. This sports camera with stabilization ensures the shake-free footage, providing with a smooth and steady videos even in the most dynamic of environments. Enhance the HDR function for vivid and detailed footage, capturing both bright and dark areas with precision, ensuring stunning realistic visuals. And it's simply connectivity and extended recording possibility. We stay connected via the built-in 5G Wi-Fi with the action camera to easily download and share videos and, of course, photos with our smartphone, for example. If we have a look at the camera, there is a power button, and of course there is an OK and a shutter button, because this is the 2-in-1 button. We have a microphone built in, we have the lens on the front side, we have a removable lens protector overneath, and we have 1.4 inches front screen. The working indicator and a battery cover is on the side. Then on the back side, we have a battery cover latch, a charging indicator, a 2.35 inches touchscreen. There is a speaker, an SD card slot, the battery itself, which can store it on the side, and a Type-C port. The camera will not record sound when it is underwater or in the waterproof case, because this is sealed. It's a Speed 60. We have a 170 inches degrees HD wide angle fisheye lens, The app which we are going to use is the HICAM app. We can download it out of the Play Store, the Google Play Store, and out of the App Store by or from the iOS system. That means Apple. We have a 2.3 inches touchscreen and a 1.4 non-touch screen. The picture format which we are going to take is JPEG. The video format is MP4. The memory card which is supported goes from 32 up to 256 gigabyte, but you will need a new 3 microSD card. The video codec is the H.264, and we have 2 batteries with 2150 mAh each. The speakers is a built-in and external speaker. Why an external speaker? Because on the remote there is an external speaker too, and a microphone with a built-in and a support external microphone. Really cool feature, I think that is. Recording duration is 2.5 hours in 4K mode. The connections are always Type-C. The Wi-Fi has a built-in 2.4G wireless Wi-Fi network if you need it. And of course we will need it because we are going to send pictures via the smartphone easily. Then the working temperature from 14 degrees Fahrenheit up to 131. And we have an operation system which we can dock there directly by USB-C to USB-A cable, for example. Windows 7, 8, SP, Vista, and Mac operation 10.5 or above. You see, this camera system is the next step. If you go from a beginner to a medium experience, you can go with that camera. Or you're a beginner, of course, with a little bit more of cash, then you can go and start with this action camera Speed 60. The first step is, of course, we have to insert the SD card and the battery installation. Then, of course, we can put the batteries into the AC adapter and reload it by using any kind of AC adapter because it's USB-C and USB-C is 5-volt operation. Then we can make a slow-mo video, we can make loop video, we can make time-lapse videos, we can standard video switching, of course, we can make photos, we can automatic photo, we can make a time-lapse photo, a burst photo, and a lot of other options are available there. We can make a direct computer connection with that. We can playback and delete on the screen, but you can also connect it with the HiCam app, of course, and then you can make a remote access and so on. That's a cool action cam for beginners and medium operation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.